What's up, my quarantine buddies? We've got the DIY Dollar Tree Cinco de Mayo edition. So tomorrow's Cinco de Mayo. Woo! Party on the inside. Of your house. Okay, so I thought we would start this off a little differently since it is a historical event. A little bit about Cinco de Mayo. You had Mexico, and they had trouble paying back their war debts to the European countries. So France was all like, I'm gonna go get my money. And so they went to Mexico, and they're all like, yo, Mexico, give me my money. And Mexico's like, bitch, I don't have this money. I cannot give it to you. I'm sorry. Problems. So French was like, oh no, we're gonna have problems. And then what they say in the historical rhetoric here, in the Mexican army's unlikely victory, they kicked France's ass. And that is the history of Cinco de Mayo. Now let's get to the table decor. This was honestly one of my favorites, guys. I gotta say, I love all of the color and the brightness and the funness. It's just, this will make you happy. We started with literally 4 tablecloths. I got red, pink, and green. And by 4, I obviously meant 3. Followed by the place setting where I started with this red table mat. I flipped over this table mat to just use the solid teal side. And you will see I put the solid teal, the red circle, and then I used the silver charger. I did use the plates I had at home. And then for the napkin rings, I thought this was so cute. It was, I cannot find this on the Dollar Tree website, but they had these little sandal decors that they were using as, I guess, like a banner. And I cut it up and I tied it around the napkin, and it is my favorite. Love it. That was the only thing, is that you're trying to do a little Cinco de Mayo, and I really wanted to do like cute tequila bottles or, something in honor of the Mexican history, but we kind of had to go with a little beachy here because the luau was taking over. Okay, and for the centerpiece, they had, once again, this was in the luau vibe, but I thought it kind of worked. We had these margarita glasses that had the cute flowers already attached. So this was the easiest centerpiece of all time. You bought several margarita glasses, you glued them together, you stacked them on top of each other. I then, to add some extra festive color, and it kind of reminded me of if you have a piñata and you break it open, there's candy. This was my substitution. I put candy in the cups. And then I put the little tea lights. And then you have the cactus that I had 3 cactuses surrounding it. And those were actually pin holders. So those are in the office section, in case you were wondering. I then had those little fun festive beads. I had saved those for so long, and this was the perfect event for those. It's just so fun and colorful. I love that, and I love that about the Mexican culture, how just colorful and beautiful it is. All right, guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know if you did celebrate Cinco de Mayo and how it went. And happy Independence Day, Mexico.